Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about continue statement in C++ programming. The continue is used to skip the current iteration and the control goes to the beginning of the loop, and it is usually used with one decision making statement like the if else etc. Like in example, we have used the continue statement inside the for loop. So whenever the condition becomes true, then the continue will be executed and the control will go back to the beginning of the for loop, and the code after the continue statement will be skipped. Also, we can use the continue statement inside the nested loop. So whenever the condition becomes true, then the continue statement will be executed and the control will go back to the beginning of the inner loop. And also we can use one label with the continue statement. So whenever this statement is executed, then the control will transfer to the beginning of that label and starts executing the code from there. So in this example program, we are going to use the continue statement and we are going to print only the even numbers between 1 to 10. So first of all, we are going to create one for loop, and the control variable I will be assigned with the value 1, and the condition will be I less than equal 10. And in every iteration, the value of control variable will be increased by 1. And we are going to use one if statement, and the condition is whenever we divide I with the value 2, if the remainder is not equal 0, then we wanna continue to the beginning of the for loop. Else we wanna print the value of I along with one space onto the console. So in every iteration of the for loop, the value of I will be divided by 2, and if the remainder is not equal 0, then the number is an odd number. So the continue will be executed and the control will go back to the beginning of the for loop, and the code after the continue statement will be skipped. And whenever the condition becomes false, then the if will not be executed and the value of the even number will be printed onto the console. And this way it will print only the even numbers, and we're gonna have that output printed. So now I'm gonna save this program and I'm gonna run the program, and you can see the output, the even numbers between 1 to 10 has been printed onto the console. So we can use the continue statement inside of a loop, and whenever the continue is executed, then the code after the continue will be skipped and the control will go back to the beginning of that loop. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.